Right everyone, it's been a while. Button basher, smashed off his nut in Victoria Gate Casino, Leeds. £2 steak. Do the business, Brittany. Come on, catch. Okay.
24 quid. First spin. It's not
Go
so
on.
bad.
Come on, Brittany, hit. Come on, catch.
We're
Catch.
gonna keep up.
Come on, land. Come on, land. Oh, you twat. Catch.
Honestly.
Come on, catch, love. Okay.
40 quid.
£100 in, 4 o'clock in the afternoon, $5 gym steep. Catch, Brittany. Come on, go on. Oh, you dirty slag. 2 catches for a tenner. Come on, land. Go on, scatter. Yes,
Way.
fucking re-trigger.
Winner.
Please catch
Let's go.
some fat fish now. Catch. Go on, in. Land it. Bosh. Right, it's three more spins. We need
50 times.
2 Britneys and some fat wins. Come on. Catch. Go on. Aye. The moment my 206 subscribers have been waiting for, Button Basher is back on the session.
He's back in the game.
Come on, land.
Feeling no pain.
Catch.
Catch now. We need times 2.
Come on, land that.
£100.
Land it. Come on, Brittany, land.
Oh.
Catch. Come on.
We need 100
Catch.
times 2.
In.
Come on, babe.
Brittany's disappeared. Boat.
She stopped fishing.
Brittany, catch.
Now.
Just a fat catch, Brittany. Come on. Land. Boat. 3 more dead spins. Hopefully we'll get fucking shit ton of money. Catch now. Yes, go on, Brittany. 200 fucking quid. That's what we're talking about. We need that about another 4 times. Catch, come on, catch, in. Keep going, catch again. Come on, land. Catch, in, catch. Oh, dirty bitch. Catch, come on, land. 1 more catch. Boat. And in. Catch, land. Go on, Brittany. Well, that's not bad. And we'll be on the roulette later doing our brains.